My name is Jonathan Rogers. I'm a robotics engineer from the NASA Johnson Space Center, and I'm here at the Desert Rats field test with Robonaut 2 and Centaur 2.
And were you ever a Boy Scout?
I'm actually an Eagle Scout. I got my award in 2001.
Can you give us some examples of ways that NASA is using robotics?
NASA uses robots to primarily explore planetary surfaces. You can think of the Mars rovers right now. They've been wildly successful. In the future, we hope to have robots working side by side with humans. And in fact, currently Robonaut 2 is on the International Space Station and is undergoing initial checkouts, and hopefully will be assisting the crew very soon.
Where and how is NASA planning to have robots assist humans in space exploration?
NASA would like to have robots working with astronauts wherever we go in the solar system.
And so they want to...
Sorry.
No, that's okay. We'll do it again. I'm reading their note here. They want you to kind of talk about the three Ds, dull, dangerous, and dirty jobs, as why we have robots.
Right.
So we'll start again. The question is, where and how is NASA planning to have robots assist humans in space exploration?
NASA plans to have robots assist humans wherever we go in the solar system. Robots can be assistants for astronauts. They can also tackle the 3Ds. That's dull, dirty, or dangerous jobs. Things that are not worthy of an astronaut's time, or perhaps might be too dangerous to send a crew member.
Are there any plans to have a rover like the Mars rovers to be sent to an asteroid or other rocky surfaces?
I actually don't know the answer to that one.
You can say. I personally don't know, but I envision, NASA has plans for exploration, kind of that thing.
One more time.
Okay. Are there any plans to have a rover like the Mars rovers to be sent to an asteroid or other rocky surfaces?
So when NASA heads to an asteroid or another rocky planetary surface, we'd like for rovers to be there to help the crew. We're currently planning out what those types of rovers might be, and they may not be wheeled rovers, they might be free flyers. There's a wide variety of options, but we're really looking for those to be able to help astronauts as we explore.
How is the autonomous mode of robots used in the Desert Rats programs?
There are a variety of autonomous modes that the Desert Rats field test is looking at with our robots this year. Centaur, for example, is being remotely controlled from Johnson Space Center in Houston to pick up a geologic sample and take a look at it, all remotely. Additionally, the rovers can be driven from anywhere on Earth.
And what happens if a robot breaks?
If a robot breaks, first of all, we try to build in as much redundancy as we can. We always want backup systems and diagnostics to be able to help us understand what's happened to the robot. But in the grand scheme of things, if a robot is broken, it's much better than losing a crew member.
And what are the plans of using the SEV, the Space Exploration Vehicle, the Centaur rover, and the EVA-IS for future exploration missions?
What is EVA-IS?
That's the backpack that they're wearing. So essentially, what are the plans for using the various assets that we have out here for future exploration?
I feel redundant.
That's okay.
But I guess they can piece that together.
Yeah, I'm sure they're going to piece it together.
Okay, one more time if you would.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to repeat some of the...
Yeah, no, you're doing great. What are the plans for using the SEV, the Centaur, and the backpack for future explorations?
So the technologies that we're testing out here at Desert Rats will be used as we explore the solar system. For example, astronauts could be sitting inside an SEV controlling a Centaur-like rover to explore an area that they might be interested in before actually getting into their EVA-IS to go explore it themselves.
That was good. That was everything. Is there anything else that you would like to add? They didn't ask this, but do you have any words of advice for the Boy Scouts that are going to be watching this? Anything else you want to share?
Trying to think how to piece it together
Okay.
other than the normal stem.
Yeah, that's fine.
Preaching the stem.
Right, right.
So I'm trying to remember a couple things from the merit badge. I got to review it.
Mm-hmm.
A coworker of mine worked on it in detail. Additionally, the robotics merit badge provides a great introduction to robotics career that I've really found to be enjoyable. Let me try that again.
Enjoyable. Sure, sure.
Additionally, the content inside the robotics merit badge. Oh.
Oh no, sorry.
Maybe.
Go ahead.
I'm a little bit too.
Okay.
Just
I thought you were like, your hat's crooked. Fine, okay. The content that's found inside the robotics merit badge provides a great foundation and an introduction to a wonderful career that I've found greatly enjoyable.